This short video of the Red Rock Canyon National Conservation Area was shot primarily to explore the 4K ultra high definition camera inside the iPhone 8 Plus. This video was shot at 30 frames per second, but the camera is also capable of 24 frames per second and 60 frames per second. While we are admiring the spectacular layers of red and gray sandstone, it is worth noting that geologists from around the world are fascinated by the fact that older rock formations have been forcibly thrust over younger layers. This is the exact opposite of the usual arrangement. Around 600 million years ago, what is now North America was near the South Pole. It was about that time that the first multicellular life arose. Biologists refer to this period as the Cambrian explosion. Prior to that time, all life had been single-celled. Gradually, over the next hundreds of millions of years, tectonic forces rearranged the land masses. By 300 million years ago, primitive North America had finally drifted across the equator into the northern hemisphere. All of western North America, including what you see here, was still underwater. Around 225 million years ago, the seabed underlying Red Rock Canyon began to rise slowly. Iron minerals in the sandstone started to rust when exposed to oxygen in the air. This is the cause of the rusty red color we see today. Around 180 million years ago, this area was a desert of tall sand dunes. The cracks and grooves you see in the gray sandstone are evidence of strong desert winds that drifted and sifted the dunes over geologic periods of time. Today we refer to them as fossilized sand dunes. Some 65 million years ago is when the older red rock was thrust over the younger gray fossilized dunes. Geologists refer to this result as the Laramide orogeny. This effect took place gradually over tens of millions of years and produced the Rocky Mountains extending from Canada to Mexico.